Hello, everybody. Okay, so today I'm going to be reading this story for you. So make sure you guys are following along and reading with me while I read. Okay. Why Bears Sleep All Winter. A Tale from Lapland. When the world was young, Yuko, the thunder god, often climbed down from the clouds to inspect the earth. He walked the land dressed as an ordinary man. One afternoon, Yuko hiked in the northern mountains. He was enjoying a bright fall day before the long, dark winter. Yuko came to a stream and stopped to admire the hills on the other side. He wished to cross the stream and climb those hills, but there was no bridge and the rushing water was too deep. Near where he stood, a black horse hungrily grazed on the last of the wild grasses. Yuko said, "Horse, carry me across the stream, and I will give you a great reward." The horse raised his head. "I must keep eating this grass," he said. "Snow will soon cover the food on the ground." And with that, the horse lowered his head and continued grazing. Yuko shook his head and walked farther along the stream. He hadn't gone half a mile before a leaping reindeer appeared. Yuko called, "Reindeer, carry me across the stream, and I will give you a great reward." "Going south to escape the deep winter snow," said the reindeer. "Can't stop for a minute. Miles to go," and he leaped away. Yuko shook his head and walked farther along the stream. As he reached the edge of a forest, he met a brown bear. The bear was gobbling the last of the wild berries from a bush. Yuko said, "Bear, carry me across the stream, and I will give you a great reward." The bear looked at Yuko and swallowed a mouthful of berries. "More berries may grow on the other side," said the bear. "I will happily give you a ride." "You will not be sorry," said Yuko. Yuko gripped the bear's shaggy coat and climbed up onto his back. Splish, splash! They crossed the stream safely. There, in a meadow, the bear found more berry bushes. He ate while Yuko hiked in the hills nearby. As the day grew to an end, the sun dimmed and a stiff wind blew around the hills. Yuko returned to the meadow and found the berry bushes empty. The sleepy bear, with a full stomach, leaned against the rocky entrance of a cave. Yuko said, "Bear, climb into the cave and sleep. Your kindness has brought you a great reward. You will sleep until the sun grows strong and spring arrives. Bears will never again worry about finding food in the long, dark winter." "A great reward indeed," said the bear, curling up in the cave. Yuko climbed the mountains and back up to the clouds, happy to have rewarded a good deed. And this is why bears, but not horses or reindeers, sleep all winter. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it.